Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and picking up where we left off in the previous Bitcoin video. The previous video where I was talking about Bitcoin, we had seen the price of Bitcoin come up due to the CPI data that had come out, and that was pumping up the whole market. Now, we knew that there was a good possibility that that was just that reaction to the CPI data, and that was not possibly the turnaround within the market of the market bottoming and seeing Bitcoin's price start taking moves to upside from there. I didn't think that, and it's looking like that's the case. There's still possibly this wave 5 that's still going to be coming down, and we're going to be finding a new 52-week low with Bitcoin, another new 52-week low with Bitcoin, because we also just recently reached that 52-week low with Bitcoin on Wednesday, November 9th. So I would say that the price of Bitcoin has a pretty good distance still to come down. Now, originally I was saying that we could be seeing the price of Bitcoin come down somewhere around the range of $13,000 to $12,000 as a possibility with Wave 5, but now I'm not saying that. And that really is just due to actually how much the Wave 4 did go up. Seeing that I did have to make some adjustments here, the wave 4 did come up a pretty significant amount, and that would mean that the wave 5 more than likely would not come down that low, given how long the wave 3 is. So first, let's just look at our Fibonacci retracement, and you can see that within the wave 4, we actually retraced nearly 50% from the whole price movement that we had so far. So that's a pretty significant size wave 4, and due to that fact, I wouldn't think that the wave 5 would have a whole lot to fall, actually. Now, if I was actually to also look at just the wave 3 and to make some measurements here about where the wave 5 could be going, that would also change things around a bit as well. So let me make this adjustment here, and then and I will be adjusting where that wave 5 could be going. So let's just look at the wave 3, and there's a really good possibility that we could be seeing this come down somewhere, I'd say much closer within the range of the price of 14,000. Let me just make sure that would be more accurate here. So let's take our Fibonacci retracement from the wave 3 and just line this up so we can see that our wave 3 to wave 4 was a 50% price move. So it would not be able to be the length of our wave 3 for the wave 5. I wouldn't think that would happen. So I'm going to assume that the wave 5 would be about 3/4 of the length of the wave 3. So I would have to make that adjustment and put it at that price of around $14,000. So yeah, that would make sense to see the 5th wave come down to a price range of $14,000. So just to lock this in, and that's where I think it could be going. I think that would be more of a possibility. Now, no certainty, of course, when the timeline of when this is going to happen, as we're seeing this next price drop take a little bit of time, and I would say at some point here we're going to be seeing this price drop one more time to complete that wave 5, and then at that point, hopefully, that would be when the market is going to turn around. We could just be waiting for a little bit more of this drama with FTX to send us there. That would really help Bitcoin's price going down there. Now, I think that would make sense. I think that the price of $13,000, $12,000 that a lot of people have been claiming, I think that the fact that the wave 4 had gone up a pretty good amount, I don't think that we're going to be hitting that price range, and the $14,000 price makes a bit more sense in my opinion. But anything's possible, of course, because we all thought that the bottom of Bitcoin was already in back in the middle of June, and that ended up not being the case. SBF really turned things around for us and sent us down for one more stab with Bitcoin to hit a new 52-week low. So I still think that we have one more 52-week low to come in. That price around $14,000 is where it's going to be headed to complete this wave 5, and then from there, cross our fingers. So that's where the market could be turning around. And I think that there's really a good chance for Bitcoin to really achieve this. But we've just seen so much happen here recently with Bitcoin. And the whole crypto market, it's just been a total nightmare with this whole drama with FTX, because crypto was looking so good. Bitcoin and Ethereum and everything was just looking like there was a lot of possibilities, especially after it had broken out of this falling wedge that it was in, since it had reached its 52-week high back in November of 2021. And then it had come down within these 5 waves. And now, we're making these adjustments here because Bitcoin was looking really nice when it had broken out of this wedge. We're starting to see the price movement to the upside. And then, of course, SBF had just tanked the market and had worked the price back into this falling wedge. And the bearish case scenario for Bitcoin has just been reset after things were looking so good. Such a good possibility with Bitcoin. And now we're kind of just waiting for this all to play out now. So hopefully things do recover here fast. I'm very sorry to anybody that got messed up with this whole drama with FTX, and there's more drama that just keeps coming now. There's that drama with FTX US now, as they temporarily locked withdrawals from there. So hopefully everybody's been able to get out of that, and soon we can be able to move on from all of this drama and start seeing crypto turn green again. That would be great. But I know it's all going to take time. It's all a matter of time until it happens. And we just got to be patient, and hopefully everybody is just investing smart. I make these videos for entertainment purposes only. This is all filled with just my own personal opinion, so take that into consideration. But I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions about this. Do you guys think that the bottom is in, or do you think that there still is one more leg down with Bitcoin, this wave 5, that would take it down to that $14,000 price or lower? I'd like to know. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day, and many other altcoins as well. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you for watching and listening.